So I'm gonna count down from 10 to 0. But then you shiver. But then you should know I don't really wanna take it slow. So if you love me, let's go.
What's up, guys? Okay, y'all. I'm sorry to report, but once again, this is not going to be a DIY video, okay? I've been kind of out of it lately, and I already told y'all before, I don't want to bring y'all no, like, half, you already know the rest of the word, half-stepping, let's make it cute, okay? Half-stepping type of ideas just to give y'all a DIY video. I'm not trying to come at y'all like that. So when my creative juices start back flowing, I'll be back on here with some DIYs, and hopefully that will be soon, okay? But for now, I wanted to share with you guys another little project that I have been working on, and I wanted to gather more materials or more items, but I'm like, hey, I could share it with you guys. Now, I know last year or the year before last, I don't even remember now, I mentioned I wanted to make over my house. And I showed y'all like the layout of my bedroom, because that was initially the first room I wanted to make over, which is still the first room I want to. But I have expanded that idea to go ahead and, for my living room, so on and so forth. So upcoming videos, y'all going to see that whole process. But for now, I wanted to show y'all a few items that I have found for very, very low prices, inexpensive. Y'all know me. That at thrift stores or whatever, and just what I'm going to build up on. And I'm so excited because I'm shaking like a mug now. I'm so excited that the project is coming together. It's kind of slower than I anticipated. Slower than I would have liked it to be. But to me, all good things take time. So I'm not in no rush. And I want it to be done the way I want it to be done, and not just to get it done just to say it's done. So I want it done right, basically. So here are the items that I have purchased recently. And I will give you the details, and of course you'll see them. So let's start. Okay, guys, this is the first item. Y'all already know I love it. I purchased this dresser at a Goodwill. And I've been looking for this style of dresser, but I wanted the right price. Now, y'all see it's a little scuffed up and everything. So I'm going to give it a nice little paint. And let's go and refresh it. I think I want to keep it the same color as you're seeing it. I haven't really decided, but everything I want to keep the handles because I like the handles. And I'm going to open it. And it needs to be fixed a little bit, like, because the drawers aren't, I forgot what my mom said, but they need to be fixed. But overall, I think it's in good condition. The bones of it is good. It's super duper heavy, y'all. Oh my God. I can't even believe me and my mom actually brought this bad boy in. But guess how much I paid for it? I don't really remember. I'm going to keep it real with you. It was, I think, $18. It was under $20, guys. $18? You can't beat that. Oh my God. And I think we got it even cheaper because it was senior citizen discount day or something. And my mama is senior citizen. So she purchased it and I just gave her the money. Come on through, okay? Come on through. But I love it, guys. Okay, y'all, the second item that I purchased, or should I say items, are these bar stools. Now, I've been looking for bar stools as well as I was looking for that dang dresser. But I wanted something with quality, cuteness, of course, that goes with the idea I have in my head, and something that that is comfortable. You know what I'm saying? You got a lot of bar stools out there that for a little fluffy girl like myself, that's not gonna be it. You can't sit in them properly. They cute. You know, they might go with your color scheme or what have you, your home decor. But sitting in them, nah, man, they're just not up to par. So these bar stools, I'm like, oh my God, I think they're cute. And they are scuffed up, guys, like right here and everything, and the paint is chipped. But overall, very good quality. And when you sit in them, it don't feel like they about to break. You know what I'm saying? So me and my mom, once again, we're gonna fix the little issues with no problem or whatever, and make them do what they do. But overall, I love them. I really, really do love them. And for both, what you call them? Both bar stools. Lord, why don't I have? Let me see. Is that the price? Here they go. Booyah! Here go the price for it. For both bar stools was $40. But guess what, y'all? They had a was it half off? Half off sale. I'm not even lying to you guys. It was half off. So I really got both of them. No, it wasn't half off. It was 30% off. Put it this way, both of them, it was under $40. For them together, it was under $40. So I think it was, let's just say it was $15 per chair. But shoot, I was willing to pay just $20 per chair. I thought that was good. Because this is not no cheaply made chair, guys. And y'all know bar stools cost a grip. So yeah, I really enjoyed that purchase. For sure. Hey. Let me get it back. Okay, y'all. This is upside down, but I hope y'all get the gist because I'm not finna turn it. So this is a footstool, Ottoman, or whatever you want to call it. You can see it. It's in the garage because I got this for free. I found it on the side of the road. And I am going to, of course, repurpose this. It is very well made, but it do, of course, have some imperfections, and it don't smell all that good. So what I'm going to do with this, of course, I would do it on film for you guys. I'm going to recover it. I have ideas for it. And I was like, when I saw it, I'm like, oh my God, this is the perfect size that I need. And what is free? What better? Come on, guys. You can't get better than free. So this is the last item so far. I'm still looking for other little gems, furniture pieces that I could use within my home decor for my makeover. But I'm not finna pay no arm and leg. Now some I might pay something since I'm getting all this furniture at a very good deal, but those are not my intentions. So if I see something that I really, really want, okay, cool, I might splurge a little, but those are not my intentions. I'm not looking for nothing to splurge on. How about that? So, there you have it, guys. And there you have it. That's it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next Friday. Why? I haven't said that in such a long time. See you guys next Sunday. Sunday.